Okay, good morning. We just entered this right here on a second entry long. We'll see if we get it. But you can see the overnight high and low. We got two channels going for us. So right now I'm just waiting on this play to play out here. I marked my stop loss right here because this is really my signal bar, not the red one. Or could even be this small little bar right here. Yeah, it's actually this one. 'Cause that's the bullish bar that I'm going after. So we have a nice two-leg correction. Okay, we just got it. And so we got this. I don't even know where to put. I don't have a target for my runner right now, so I'm just gonna wait. I think it's far enough. Oh, it's actually right here on that channel line, so I'll do this. I'll put it right there. Oh, alright, we got kicked out. Bummer. But we got 3 points on that one. Okay, I'm gonna make an attempt to go short here. We got a two-leg. This right here is technically the first leg, but you can clearly see one leg, and here's the second. And this bar right here is kind of bearish. So if it clears below this, which at this point it doesn't look like it will, but we'll see. If it clears, we will go short there. Okay, so I'm picking the first bearish bar, which is this one here. It's a big risk. It's a big risk bar. Looks like it's 4 to 5. Yeah. It did pop out of our channel there, but we'll see. That red bar is pretty bearish, so I'm confident. There you go. This one, again, we'll keep the runner. The whole point of that runner is so that we can catch a big move. So if we don't get it, we don't get it. But let's be aggressive with those runner. Oh, it got kicked out. Okay, so here's the third tray. I'm gonna place it right above that double top right here. We have a leg down, so we have one. Actually, we never had a correction to the upside yet, so that might not be good. Good thing we got out that. This is the correction to the upside here. So now this right here is officially the next one. So we're gonna try to see if we can get back up here. Think we might make new high. We do have a sort of a measure leg. So wherever the next one is, we might make it to the overnight high here. Right now it's that, but we're gonna move it as needed. Okay, so looks like we're rejecting the EMA here, so I'm gonna get my buy order ready. I'm gonna leave it up here so that I can just drag it down instead of having to do that right click and hit the checkbox. Sometimes that took a while. Yeah, we went way bearish, so I'm gonna want to see a couple of things. I'm gonna see a test and a retest of this line right here, or this line right here, or the EMA before I can comfortably go long again. And might be time to redraw this channel line right here based on the where we left off, but a measure move, measure move might start somewhere right here now. So we got one leg, here's a second leg, so our target is somewhere up there. See, this right here is not a good bar, so as soon as we have a good solid bar, it went back down, retest that, so pretty good level there. Okay, so now we have a test on this blue line right here. One, bounce back, two, right here. So this has to be a, nope, never mind. Still a doji. Cannot get in areas like this. Yeah, so it looks like we would have gotten our scalp, right? I wish this bar closed differently than the way it did, but it is what it is. We can't get in that area. Just too congested. So my measure move is officially right there. So I'm thinking it will get back here. We'll see if that holds true. So we're almost at our measure move. I am seeing a two-leg, a second entry short right here, which it did, right? Didn't quite get to the 1 point scalp. So our measure moves up here. It looks like we're pretty darn close. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if this will act as a trap. Place it above this high here, and if we can clear that, I think we can get to a measure move. But you can see we set up a measure move based on this here, and it looks pretty darn close. It's actually, maybe it's even like that. So let's see. Let's redo that. Right there. So we're pretty close, a couple of points away from it. See these mini legs right here? It could be that, hey, the measure move is right there, and maybe we already got there, right? So it's hard to tell right now, but I mean, it's pretty close. Yeah, so it looks like it almost got its 1 point scalp. One more tick it would have had it, but this is a pullback to the EMA. Let's see, 3, 4, one more. There you go. It has it, so I'm gonna get out. Okay, so it looks like we have a bullish bar here, so I will go long here. Hopefully we break through this upper top there and shoot back up. Yeah, it looks like we're moving into a range. I don't like it. I'm not even gonna bother with this one. We went into a big shift to the downside. Here we have a second entry to the long side here, but I don't think this will work. We're seeing a steep downtrend. Now to think of it, I think the measure move is right here, which we already got there with this leg. So I'm wiping this out. But if we do break below this candle, I will go for it. We might retest this low right here. Okay, so we got fill. My stop loss would be right there. A bit steep, but we'll see. Last trade for the day, because I did that just mainly because we're in a steep downtrend. This is a one tick up for second entry long here. And in theory, we do have further downside. We got some support right here, but Okay, so we got it. Now we just need to manage this. Okay, I'll just take a tick out of it because we are bouncing back right at the end of this. Okay, so that's 3 trade for the day. This last one is a bit aggressive, but I like what I see, a steep downtrend. Alright, 372, we gross 412.50, and the net is 372.18. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.